Did you know that 80% of communication is nonverbal? That means tone, body language, and word choice often speak louder than words themselves. When it comes to intimacy, women rarely state their desires outright. Instead, they drop hints, phrases, or actions that reveal their feelings. Welcome to your guide for understanding these signals. By the end, you'll know 5 key phrases women use when they're interested in deeper connection, plus a bonus phrase that's a game changer. Let's dive in. Point 1. I feel so comfortable with you. When a woman says this, she's not just making small talk, she's signaling trust. Women are wired to seek emotional and physical security, as noted in a 2019 study from Psychology Today, which highlights emotional safety as a top factor in attraction. This phrase means she feels at ease, vulnerable, and open with green light for intimacy. Scenario: you're walking together at dusk, and she moves closer, saying, I feel so comfortable with you. That's her way of saying she trusts you deeply. How to respond. Don't brush it off with good to know. Instead, say, I'm glad you feel that wet means a lot. This reinforces her trust and strengthens the bond. Point 2. You smell amazing. This isn't just about your cologne, it's about chemistry. Research from Oxford University shows scent is tied to memory and emotion, making it a powerful trigger for attraction. When she compliments your scent, she's drawn to your presence on a primal level. Scenario: you're chatting, and she leans in, saying, you smell amazing. She might linger, or mention it again. She's hooked. A signature scent can keep you on her mind long after you're gone. How to respond. Keep it playful. Try, glad you think so, I picked it just for you. This builds a flirty connection without overdoing it. Point 3. Let's go somewhere quieter. This is a bold invitation. If she suggests moving to a private setting, she's not just tired of the crowd, she wants uninterrupted time with you. Women don't propose one-on-one moments lightly. It's a sign she's comfortable and intrigued. Scenario: at a noisy party, she says, let's go somewhere quieter. She's testing if you'll take the hint. How to respond. Stay smooth. Say, sounds perfect, let's find a spot to talk. This keeps the vibe relaxed while showing you're on the same page. Let her guide the next steps. 4. I keep thinking about that night. When a woman brings up a shared memory, she's not just reminiscing, she's reliving the emotions. Psychologists call this emotional nostalgia, where past moments fuel present attraction. She's signaling she wants to recreate that connection. Scenario: you get a text. I keep thinking about that night we talked for hours. She's inviting you to rekindle that spark. How to respond. Don't just say, yeah, that was fun. Try, which part's sticking with you? This keeps the conversation flirty and open, encouraging her to share more. 5. I don't want tonight to end. This is a powerful sign of attraction. When a woman says this, she's so immersed in the moment that time feels irrelevant. A psychological state called temporal distortion. She's deeply connected and doesn't want to lose that feeling. Scenario: you're laughing together late at night, and she says, I don't want tonight to end. She's fully invested in you. How to respond. Avoid dismissing it with it's late. Instead, say, what would make this moment even better? This invites her to share her desires, keeping the intimacy alive. Bonus phrase: I love how you make me feel. This is the ultimate signal. When a woman says this, she's expressing both emotional and physical attraction. It's not about looks or status, it's about the unique way you make her feel safe, desired, and understood. Scenario: she looks at you and says, I love how you make me feel. She's opening her heart, signaling deep connection. How to respond: don't deflect with thanks. Match her vulnerability with, that means everything to me, I love being with you too. This deepens the emotional bond and shows you're in tune with her. Key takeaways: women communicate attraction through subtle cues, not direct statements. If she's sharing memories, seeking private moments, or praising your presence, she's interested. Don't overthink it, trust the signals. Build emotional security. Keep a memorable scent, and respond thoughtfully to her cues. These small actions set you apart. Want more insights on decoding attraction? Drop a comment saying, "Mind blown," and subscribe for daily tips on love and relationships. Share this with a friend who needs to catch these signals, and check out our next recommended read for more. See you tomorrow.